What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday, October 20th, 2024, and we're just now starting to recover from Barber Vintage Fest last weekend. It was a long weekend, 4 days down there at Barber. Just kind of starting to get things put away. I'm trying to clean up a little bit as I go. Also had a project I needed to get back to its owner. I've been working on for quite some time. It's a K0 1970 Honda QA50. I've been on it for honestly about a year, but it is all but a full restoration. It's very close to a full restoration. It started out with a really rough bike. I'll throw some pictures up here real quick for you to look at what we started with. So yeah, I'm about to show you. Did not document the process of rebuilding this. Just figured it'd be a little tedious, and there's not a whole lot of people out there that rebuild these. But I'd be happy to answer any questions down in the comments if you're curious about how I did something or where I got parts. So let me get you flipped around here real quick, and we'll get a good look at this. Yeah, there she is. You can see we haven't fully unpacked from Barber. Just got everything kind of staged in the garage so we can put it away. This is it. And let me take you in for a nice close look. All right, here she is in all her glory, a K0 Honda QA50, sprout green in color. If you saw those pictures I shared with you a minute ago, you can see that she's come quite a ways. And everything you see on here, I did all this, didn't farm anything out. Even did the sandblasting myself on this one, paint, everything. So these are original handlebars that we just cleaned up. As you can see, we've got new cables. Do have aftermarket reproduction fenders. These are really nice. Come from a company up northeast. We did put an aftermarket type of tire on here. This is not the original style of tire that came on it exactly. This is similar, but you really can't buy those tires yet. I think there might be some people working on getting them reproduced. Completely refurbished the wheels. Actually completely rebuilt the engine with did an overbore on it. I believe it was a 0.5 overbore, brand new valves, had the seats cut, everything, that engine, and also fixed the second gear. And they call it second gear slip. Actually, it's popping out of gear, it's not slipping. But actually fixed that as well. There's a lot of different tutorials online about how to do that. Let's see back here in the rear, again, got the QA50 sticker, which you could actually get from Honda back in the day. A lot of people put those on their bikes. Completely refurbished the entire seat pan and bracket assembly, and then put new foam and cover on the seat. On the tank, completely repainted tank, put a Pour 15 tank liner in it, which I'm a big fan of those, and then hand painted the lettering on this knee band. And I've mentioned in some other videos where I said I'd share with you how I did that. I actually used tire paint that you can buy on the Jungle store for painting white letters on tires, and it worked perfectly. I tried a regular paint pen and it was an epic disaster. So then when I switched over to that tire paint, that's when it all came together. These did not have lights, in case you're wondering. And then, again, polished the brake panels. Got a factory exhaust. This muffler's, it's a little rough, been reworked a couple times, but if you ever priced one of those, you would understand why. They are not cheap. And that's usually the first thing that seemed to must have come off these back in the day, is people took that muffler off because it probably sounded cooler, but I guarantee it didn't make it any darn faster. We even got correct hardware here on the shield for the head pipe. You know, if you notice, it's not painted. A lot of times you see these restorations and all the hardware just gets painted over. This took a lot of time and care to really pay attention to the details. Again, polish the brake panel there, and then of course put the warning decal on the gas tank. That is an original gas cap. I did purchase an aftermarket cap for this, and it fit like crap, and was no way it was ever going to seal if that tank was anywhere near full. So elected to clean up the original and put that back on there. We know that works, we know it fits. So yeah, feel free down in the comments if you have any questions about where I sourced parts or how I did something on this. I'd be happy to field those questions. So yeah, let's go ahead and we'll come out here and close this out real quick. Okay, that'll about do it for that one. Again, I apologize for not documenting the entire process. It's just been going on for so long, and I've worked on so many projects over the last year. I just had to kind of pick and choose which ones I had time to document. So again, I'm happy to answer any questions you might have about how I did that or where the parts were sourced. And I think that's about it for now. We're gonna get here real soon, getting caught up. We're gonna start getting back into some wrenching videos. I've got a lot of things in the backlog I need to get to. Hopefully here in the next couple of weeks, once we get this one out of here this week, we can move on to bigger and better things. And I mean that literally bigger. The thing's a little ugly duckling, but it was cool. Fun to work on. You can probably see another one here. The guy that owns it, he's got another one he's bringing me. So we'll do it up for him as well. So that goes. So until next time, thanks for watching.